Rockler Woodworking and Hardware's new mini silicone glue brush.
Hey guys, I just want to talk to you about Rockler's new mini silicone glue brush. As of now, you probably have seen the other ones where it has a spatula on one end and a little wider tip. Well, this one is for precision gluing, such as tight corners and say like dowel holes. And I'll show you how it works. It doesn't take that much glue, and it spreads pretty evenly. You can get into tight corners. Best thing I like about it is you really don't waste any glue. It has a cone-shaped end which allows you to go into the dowel holes or mortises, and it applies glue very well. The difference between Rockler silicone glue brushes versus the regular acid brushes that you use, well, if you don't go and wash out your bristles right away, well, with the acid brushes you have to toss them. And basically after it dries, all you have to do is flake these bristles and the glue comes loose. Peels right off. Yep. The brush is just like the way I had it before I even started using it.